Knowing that log in base 10 of k equals to 6, calculate this expression. Solution. If log in base 10 of k is 6, then it means that k is equal to 10 to the 6. Now let's calculate the fourth root of 1 over k cubed. Since k is equal to 10 to the 6, 1 over k cubed is equal to 1 over 10 to the 6 to the cube, power 3. Then is 1 over 10 to the 18. Remember to multiply those powers or exponents. Then the fourth root of 1 divided by k to the cube is equal to 1 over k to the cube to the 1/4 using rational exponents. And replacing this over here, you get this expression, then use rules of exponents, and you get this expression, and this is equal to 1, and multiply those exponents and get this exponent. And again, instead of the positive exponent, use negative exponent like here, because this is equal to that. So the log in base 10 of this expression is the power of 10 that appears here, that is minus 9 divided by 2. And this is the answer of the question that we are gonna, and this is the answer to the problem that we solve here.